Z Nassau Street Express is a rapid transit services in the B division of the New York City subway. Their route emblems, or bullets, are colored brown since they use the BMT Nassau Street line in Lower Manhattan. The R32 was a New York City subway car model built by the Bud Company from 1964 to 1965 for the IND BMT B division. A total of 600 R32s were built, numbered 3,350 to 3,949, though some cars were renumbered. The R32 contract was divided into two subcontracts of 300 cars each, R32, cars 3,350 to 3,649, and R32A, cars 3,650 to 3,949. The former was paid by the city's capital budget and the latter was paid through a revenue bond. All are arranged as married pairs. The R32s were the first mass-produced stainless steel cars built for the New York City subway. A ceremonial introduction trip for the new R32 Brightliners cars was held on September 9, 1964. Various modifications were made over the years to the R32 fleet. In the late 1980s, all of the R32 cars were rebuilt, with 10 cars being rebuilt by General Electric and the remaining cars being rebuilt by Morrison Knudsen. As part of the refurbishment, the original roll signs and express/local marker lights at the end of each car were replaced with flip-dot signs. After refurbishment, the R32 and R32A cars were renamed R32 Phase I, R32 Phase II, and R32 GE. The R160s replaced most of the R32s in the late 2000s, though about one-third of the original fleet remained, all being Phase I R32s. The rest of the R32s were initially retired in early 2020 and replaced with the R179s. However, due to the R179s being pulled from service, they returned to service in summer 2020 and ran until being retired again in early October 2020 after investigations of the R179 cars were completed and they returned to service. After retirement, most of the R32s were scrapped, sunk as artificial reefs, or placed into storage, but some have been preserved, and others retained for various purposes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.